The world of camping is undergoing a high-tech revolution, moving far beyond traditional gear to embrace smart, high-performance solutions. Today, we're uncovering 10 groundbreaking gadgets that bring incredible efficiency and modern comfort to even the most remote wilderness. From ultra-rugged multi-tools to ingenious cooking systems, these must-have upgrades are designed to make your next trip safer and more enjoyable. Let's explore the innovative gear that is officially taking outdoor exploration to the next level. The Lithely E-Wagon W1 Pro transforms the exhausting task of hauling gear into a smooth, motorized experience. This electric-powered wagon features a smart drive system that moves at a comfortable walking pace of 2 to 3 miles per hour, eliminating the strain of pulling heavy loads over slopes or uneven ground. With a massive 200-liter capacity and rugged 8-inch all-terrain wheels, it glides effortlessly across gravel, grass, and dirt trails. A standout feature is its modular U battery, which not only powers the motor, but also serves as a portable power bank to charge your mobile devices off-grid. When the trip is over, the wagon folds down in seconds for compact storage in your trunk. It's the ultimate game changer for solo campers or families who want to move more gear with zero struggle. The OnTap Rome is a self-contained, high-pressure water solution designed for off-grid adventurers who need more than just a gravity feed. This rugged system features a 16-liter food-grade tank and an internal pump that delivers a consistent 40 psi, making it perfect for quick showers or cleaning gear. Powered by a 3200 mAh battery, it offers up to 120 minutes of runtime and recharges quickly via USB-C. The unit is IP65 rated for dust and water resistance and is built from food-grade, UV-stabilized materials for long-term durability. With a 10-function spray gun and a modular design that allows for easy tank swaps, the Rome provides a home-like water experience in a portable 4.8-kilogram package. It's a reliable, low-maintenance upgrade for anyone who values hygiene and convenience in the wilderness. The Coastal Range Backpacker Stove is a masterclass in efficiency, designed specifically for hikers who prioritize speed and minimal pack weight. Weighing a mere 9 ounces, this integrated system is one of the lightest cooking solutions available, ensuring it won't weigh you down during long treks. Its high-efficiency burner can bring half a liter of water to a boil in roughly 2.5 minutes, much faster than most stoves in its class, and ideal when you want a hot meal without the weight. The included 1.2-liter pot is perfectly sized to handle coffee or meals for a small group, making it as practical as it is fast. Its clever nesting design allows the burner, fuel canister, and accessories to fit entirely inside the pot for streamlined storage. Built for simplicity, this stove is the perfect solution for quick, hot meals after a demanding day on the trail. The Tevo CC1 eliminates the frustration of managing multiple lanterns and flashlights by merging high-performance illumination into a single versatile tool. Delivering up to 800 lumens, it provides powerful light for everything from intricate camp chores to broad area navigation. Its unique design features a detachable light head, allowing you to switch instantly from a handheld flashlight to a professional-grade camp light. When mounted on its integrated tripod, the unit extends to a height of 1.9 meters, casting an elevated glow that covers a much wider radius than standard ground lights. For added convenience, the CC1 includes a remote control, letting you adjust brightness and modes and the distance. While it can warm up on its highest setting, its lightweight and portable construction makes it a must-have for hands-free, multi-purpose lighting in any campsite.
The Nycore EMR15 offers a modern, mess-free solution to pest control by utilizing a compact heat-driven system instead of sticky sprays or smoky coils. This ultra-lightweight device weighs only 62 grams and features a powerful heating element that reaches 185 degrees Celsius, activating repellent mats to create a 16-foot protection zone in just 10 minutes. Designed for maximum portability, it can be clipped to a belt, attached to a backpack, or hung using its integrated metal loop. The EMR15 is IPX5 rated, making it resistant to rain and splashes during unpredictable outdoor treks. It charges conveniently via USB-C, allowing you to power up from a portable bank or vehicle while on the move. Operating silently with no open flames or fumes, it provides an eco-friendly and steady shield against insects throughout your journey. That concludes our look at 10 next-level camping gadgets designed to redefine your outdoor experience. Let us know in the comments which of these innovations you'd want on your next adventure, and don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge gear updates.